Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic that every driver should be aware of: brake fade. We'll explain what brake fade is, how it happens, and most importantly, how to avoid it. Let's get started. What is brake fade? Brake fade is a reduction in braking power that occurs when brakes overheat. This can lead to a longer stopping distance and can be particularly dangerous in emergency situations. It's essential to understand the causes and how to prevent it to ensure your safety on the road. How does brake fade happen? Brake fade typically occurs when the braking system is subjected to prolonged or excessive use, such as during steep downhill driving or repeated hard braking. Here are a few key factors that contribute to brake fade: overheating brake components. When brakes are applied, friction generates heat. If the brakes get too hot, the materials can lose effectiveness. Brake pad material: certain materials can withstand heat better than others. Low-quality pads may fade faster under stress. Moisture and contaminants, water, dirt, and oil can compromise braking performance, leading to fade. Signs of brake fade. How do you know if you're experiencing brake fade? Here are some signs to watch for: a spongy or soft brake pedal, increased stopping distance, a burning smell from the brakes, brake pedal vibration or pulsation. How to avoid brake fade? Now that we understand what brake fade is and how it happens, let's talk about how to avoid it. Avoid excessive braking. When driving downhill, use engine braking by downshifting instead of relying solely on your brakes. Use quality brake components. Invest in high-quality brake pads and rotors that are designed to withstand high temperatures. Regular maintenance. Keep your brake system well maintained. Check the brake fluid, pads, and rotors regularly for wear and replace them as needed. Stay aware of conditions. Be mindful of your driving conditions. In wet or slippery conditions, be cautious with your braking to avoid overheating. Brake cooling after intense driving. Like racing or heavy downhill braking, allow your brakes to cool down by driving slowly without applying the brakes. Conclusion: brake fade can be a serious issue, but with proper awareness and maintenance, you can avoid it and ensure your braking system remains effective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.